Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put these rock sliders on my Jeep. We'll kind of go over them and how much they cost, because these were extremely cheap. And I know cheap Chinese knockoffs aren't always good and all that, but I got these off Facebook Marketplace for like 80 bucks. Yeah! Cheap knockoffs are regular like 200, so I'm super excited about the purchase. Look at how good they look. Go into what it takes to put these on, let's take a look at a few of the things are an issue on these. So number one, they mount and the front location and the middle location for the body mounts, and they don't mount on the rear. That's okay. I can stand up there with my whole 260 pounds and bounce up and down. They do not move. I may go back one day and add the rear mount to it, because I do plan on sandblasting these at some point and painting them a more semi-gloss black. The thing is, they do fit extremely tight to the body, generally making contact in a couple places. You could probably slide a piece of paper through there, but that's about it. Here it makes contact. So I took them back down and I checked. It's not rubbing any of the paint off yet, but I'm sure as the body moves a little bit independent of the rest of the Jeep that it'll rub a spot there. But I'm not concerned, because again, they don't move an inch. So let's get right to it. So guys, this is how this particular brand will lay out with the two mounts on the front of the door. There's a third mount back there behind the passenger door that you could run off the back there that would actually make this a lot stronger. But for right now, we're going to mount it up and see what it looks like and make sure it's even something that I like. I do like the way these are designed, because they come up on this little boat side right here and protect all the way up without taking away the ground clearance that the stock steps took away. So guys, this is what a stock body frame mount looks like, and you can see that there are two bolts, one right here and one on the other side, that just have a nut. And they're actually rivets, not rivets, but studs that are on the top side on a plate. And so you reuse these bolts or these studs and these nuts. You can see all it does is slide up there, and then you just put the nut back on. So we'll do that real quick. That nut is just a number 16 millimeter. I put some PV blaster on it last night just to make sure, and we'll see if they come off easy. You might need a deep well. Or not. That side's on, it looks real good. So it took exactly 5 minutes for that side. So you can see it fits extremely close to the body. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'd rather it be just slightly off the body. In fact, it's contacting the body right there. I don't like that. But it's just barely contacting the body. But it definitely fits up tight. I do like the fact that it fits up extremely tight. This just might be a little too tight right there. So let me get the other side on, and I'm not going to tell my wife. I've got a bet with some friends that on how long it'll take my wife to notice that even got put on, because I didn't tell her I bought those. I found them on Facebook Marketplace for like 80 bucks. And so I just snatched them up before they got gone, because the guy told me when I picked them up that he already had like 100 people message him before I even got there. I'm gonna mount up the other side, and then we'll see if she notices throughout the day, and then I'll update the video if she notices, or when she notices. Probably, because sometimes she does watch my videos, sometimes. I may not even post this video until she's actually noticed. All right, so that side went on pretty well. It also contacted the body on the front here. The bar is straight as an arrow, and you can see it actually contacts the body down through there. So the body actually has a little bit of a bulge in it. I would want them to fit as tight as humanly possible, because the whole idea behind taking off the steps was so that I didn't rub my pants leg getting in, and so that I had a little bit of ground clearance. Now I have the ground clearance. I'm not going to rub my pants getting in because it's so tight. And with all that bolted up as tight as can be, if I do hit something here, this bar will still stop it before it gets into the body. So it still protects the body, even though it might scrub the paint a little bit. If I ever take them off, I'll probably have to address just a little bit of rub and scratching there. If I'm up north where there's salt and stuff, I would probably be a little bit wary of that contacting the body. But down here, and for what I'm going to use it for, I really don't have a problem with it. It doesn't contact as much as, say, if I put some Poison Spider or Rugged Ridge bodyguards all the way down, which was my first option of what I wanted to do, where it actually bolts to the body when you drill into it. So, you know, if you have a Jeep, you really can't be scared to contact the body a little bit and rub and drill and cut into it, because that's what the Jeep's all about, making it your own. So I like them for 80 bucks. I think it's a steal. Looks good. So guys, I will try to find out the brand. If I do, I'll put them down in my Amazon link below. When I bought them from the guy, he had never installed them, and they had actually sent him the wrong ones. He bought them from Amazon. They'd sent him the wrong ones, so he didn't really know what brand they were. But I'll find out the brand. I'll put it in the link below. I like them. They're sturdy enough for what I'm going to be using them for, and they might be a good addition to your Jeep. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this shows you how easy they are to bolt up. If it helps you out, hit the like and subscribe button. Check out my Amazon link, and have a great day.